Finding the right influencers for you and your brand also involves assessing the potential value of a partnership for your brand. This can be easily done using influData's review of an influencer's sponsored content and collaboration timeline. Evaluate the influencer's potential for collaborations by exploring the brand value section of their profile. You can begin by viewing the percentage of sponsored content pieces the creator has recently published, giving you insight into their advertising activity. Next off, you'll also see an overview of the brands they've worked with, the number of sponsored content pieces they've shared, and the earned media value generated from these collaborations. You can dive deeper into specific brand partnerships, seeing when and how often the influencer worked with them. Clicking on one of the data points will show you the related content for that collaboration. Last but not least, you can check out what their branded content looks like, sorted by reach and newest content. You can also explore which influencers certain companies like your competitors or other brands have partnered with and the results they've achieved. Simply check out a company profile and its brand value section. See how many times they were tagged, how many branded content pieces mentioned them, as well as their reach and earned media value they gained through this. Furthermore, you can analyze the partnership types, whether the brand favored one-off collaborations or long-term relationships with influencers. You can also explore more details about the influencers a brand worked with, such as their location, language, and gender. The content strategy of a brand can be revealed by the types of sponsored content used. Did they work with influencers primarily on posts, reels, or stories? Additionally, you can assess the size of influencers the brand collaborated with, whether they preferred influencers with a smaller or larger audience. influData also gives you an assessment of the quality of the brand's cooperations. Check out the influencer partnerships of a brand in detail and see when as well as how often they worked with them. By clicking on one of the data points, you can see the related content to this collaboration. You may also want to examine the branded content sorted by reach and newest content. influData, empowering your creator marketing.